Next, it's my pleasure to introduce one of our outstanding students for our student speaker, John Robert Matthew Cohen. John Robert Matthew Cohen is graduating summa cum laude with a degree in computer engineering. He's a member of Eta Kappa Nu, the Electrical and Computer Engineering Honor Society. He has been a teaching assistant for the ECE 211 Circuits Labs for several semesters. He has volunteered a great deal of his time to assist other ECE students with their studies and course materials. John has been described by the faculty as a great role model for underclassmen. John is a native of South Africa. After graduation, John will be moving to California to work for Apple Corporation. John wants to thank his professors and friends, but mostly his mom, for everything. So it's my pleasure to introduce to you John Cohen.
Thank you. My speech is in fact here. Good morning, everyone. My name is John Cohen, and I'm a new graduate in computer engineering. It's very much an honor, and truthfully, quite a surprise that I find myself up here today in front of the graduating class of December 2010. My amusement does not stem from the fact that I was the only sucker in my graduating body who'd make a speech today. Instead, the irony of my surprise lays in the entry rejection letter I received from NCSU in 2004. Like a kind girl's unimpressed dismissal of even my best moves, the contents of this letter were hilariously crushing in their consolation. Oddly enough, however, I couldn't be more grateful to the school for giving me the impetus I truly needed. I have learned that if one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to live the life that he has imagined, he will meet with a success unexpected in common hours. Given my 6-year-old tale of defeat, this quote from the inimitable Henry David Thoreau resonates powerfully with me. I completely reject the notion that those who are successful in life can solely attribute their achievements to chance or some fundamental genetic superiority of intellect. Instead, I believe that simple perseverance and the drive to improve oneself are far more compelling avenues to success. Fiascos and failures, not necessarily feats and festivities, allow us to grow and be far stronger than before. In both minute and magnificent ways, I believe each and every one of us here can bear witness to this aphorism. This ceremony, as formal and mind-numbing as it may be, exemplifies the culmination of our endurance through adversity. I feel that it is absolutely crucial, though, to paraphrase our pal Isaac Newton, to honor those whose shoulders we stood on to see a little farther. Without the amazingly passionate professors, the forever stoic teaching assistants, and ridiculously patient advisors, there is no doubt that none of us would be here today. To all of these wonderful folks, I extend my deepest gratitude and respect. Thank you all so very much. These are not the only people we should honor today, however. Remembering that our mandate as engineers is to improve the lives of others through the application of science, we should equally respect and cherish those who allow us and give us reason to do what we love all day and then get paid for it. The piece of paper we will individually receive today will likely aid in getting us great jobs and all the ersatz trappings of a decent income, but be wary in assuming that it automatically makes one an engineer. Rather, I believe it is integrity, rationale, and most importantly, compassion and understanding for the needs and wants of others that earn us this distinction. In closing, I want to congratulate each and every one of you for completing this first leg of this wild journey. But by the same token, never stop learning, never cease challenging authority and impose norms, and don't ever forget that our ultimate goal is making the world a better place for everyone, regardless of race, creed, culture, or religion. Mark Twain once wrote that it is curious that physical courage should be so common in the world, but moral courage so rare. I sincerely hope that, through our endeavor to help others with the talents we have thus acquired, in time we can all prove him wrong. Thank you.